My video is about removing browser notifications that are related to the site goadszone.com. Goadszone.com is a malicious site. Today it attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. Goadszone.com tries to make you click on this allow button, supposedly to help you prove that you are not a robot. However, clicking on allow is extremely dangerous. This may hijack the browser immediately, so don't click on that allow button, and if it was mistakenly clicked, access the menu, go to settings, then privacy and security, site settings. Go down to permissions and choose notifications. Pay attention to the sites allowed to send notifications. Remove this malicious site if you find it. In order to make sure that the system is free of other threats, I recommend that you research it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on the page combocleaner.com and download the program, install it, and then begin researching your system. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.